Just got my truck back from the shop and it sounds a heck of a lot better. It has a crap ton more power. So I'm finally back from my trip from Texas, and the truck actually got repaired while I was out there. I picked it up today. So what they had to replace was the gaskets for the up pipes, from what I understand, and the bolts that come with those, and apparently those are OEM only parts that you can get, so they're pretty expensive. And they also noticed that there was holes in my passenger side manifold. Say, what the heck? So they had to replace that, and that was a lot more money on labor than it was for actual parts costs. But let me show you the manifold. So hole number 1, hole number 2, hole number 3, no hole down there. Thing is, I'm looking at this and I'm like, how the hell did they take it out? Because I'm trying to think how I would have done it, but what they had to end up doing, you can see every single bolt had to be torched off or ground off. It's nuts. I would not have been able to do that myself. And they also had to get me a new dipstick tube because it was also rotted to hell because it mounts on the bolts on here. So let me show you the new manifold then. So I had them install the new wastegate actuator as well because they had to take the whole turbo out and everything anyways. Then somewhere down here you should be able to see the new manifold, new gasket material. You can't really see from out here, but they also replaced the donut gasket as well as the dipstick tube. Interestingly enough, after all this, the engine bay in the truck is a lot quieter and runs a lot smoother. Well, one thing I noticed is I can hear the turbo spool way better now. So, very happy with the auto shop I took it to.